Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find a forgotten username in Twitter. All right, let's begin. If you have forgotten your Twitter, also known as X, username, there are a few simple ways to recover it. First, open the Twitter login screen and tap Forgot Password. Enter the email address linked to your account, then tap Next. Twitter may ask you to verify your identity through a password or a recovery option. Follow the on-screen steps, and once access is restored, your username will be visible on your profile. If that method does not work, try checking the saved passwords on your phone. Open your device settings, search for passwords, and open the Password Manager. Use the search bar to find Twitter or X. When you tap on it, your saved username will usually appear at the top. Another option is to check your email account. Open the email address registered with Twitter and search for emails from Twitter or X. Open any account-related email and you should be able to see your username mentioned there. So that's basically how you can find a forgotten username in Twitter. That's it for this video. Thanks.